Alright, so this is a video on gold. Um, my current primary analysis, I have two. So one is the purple, one is the pink. The purple being the more bullish one, saying that we've had a 1, 2, and we're just trying to have a 3 now. Then we'll have a 4 and then a 5. So that one is more bullish than the pink, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're in the final fifth wave. So in this pink scenario, I'm using the more cautious one so that I don't end up overestimating what can happen and probably lose money because I thought it would go higher, but it ends up retracing or correcting rather. So on the pink one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're having a fifth wave extension of 1, 2, 3, and then a 4, as you can see here, a 4. Then we're getting on that fifth wave. As my main is the yellow, that is my own personal analysis. Then I also decided to also be a bit cautious and say that we could have a 1, 2, and then everything from this low to this high is wave 3, and then we're having a wave 4 and then a 5, which is still the same thing as my yellow one. Then this pink one is from other traders. I just put it in case. So, and it's going to be invalidated the moment we break this high here. So it's saying that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. But the moment we break this high, it will be evident that we still have more upside, and so I'll delete that. So onto the main topic of the day, which is a trade that I took. So ordinarily, all the trades I have seen, right from over here when I was looking for more entries, at least I could see a form on the 4-hour time frame. At least I could see 1, 2 on the 4-hour time frame. Even here, although it was just like 2 candles or so. But here, I can't really see anything. I'm just seeing one pin bar and then an engulfer. If you come down to the 1-hour time frame, I could also see, a 1, 2, come down here as well, a 1, 2, come down here as well, a 1, 2. But on this one, it's not very visible. Not very visible. What we have is 2 candles up, 1 candle down, and then we broke that candle. So this is something that is only visible on like from M30 to M15, which is one thing I do not like because it feels too small. And when it's too small like that, I'm even thinking we may not break this high. We may just have a truncation. That is possible, but it's also possible for us to break the high. My targets are around, maximum target is like 4,536, minimum 4,426, which is in line with my 4,400. Uh, this first one, I think it's the 100 extension of wave 1. Then the next one is 61.8 of wave 1 to 3. Then the next one is 161.8 of wave 4. And this is 123.6 of wave 4 as well. So it also coincides with the 100%. So we might just hit here and then have that final correction. So my major concern is that it is too small. Although I took the trade, let me show you how I took that trade. So coming down to M5, I was able to count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on the correction part, I was like, okay, maybe there's a leading diagonal, and then so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have a 1, 2, 3. Then we have another 5, so that's a complete zigzag. Then I saw a 1, 2, and then a strong impulsive move up, which reminded me of this impulsive move up, which was a signal to buy at that time. So I said, okay, maybe it's something similar. So at around the point that price was at this level, at this point in time, I placed a buy trade, stop loss around these lows here. Um, So I'm taking it as a 1 2, then a 1 ABC 2, and then this is another 5 1 2 3 4 5, and then a 1 2. So this is it's almost as if I applied the lesson I learned in this at this point here, where I saw a 1 2, then a smaller 1 2, then a bigger 1 2, and then a smaller one again, and that stopped me from placing a trade. So this time around I did not allow it to stop me. Yeah, so currently I think if I lose this trade to be $7, but I can move my stop loss up to here, which will reduce it to like $4 or $5. So yeah, I think I'm doing pretty well on this trade. My only problem is that it is too small. It's too small. So it's hopefully it works out. I would be happy if it works out, because I mean that would be more money, but I'm also a bit skeptical. Still waiting to see what happens. If we get to 4,500, that would be very good. Even better if we get to 5,000. So yeah, uh, currently just waiting to see what the market will do on Monday. But I am quite confident. I'm a bit confident in this trade. Quite confident. 421, 4224, 421. So even if I bring my stop loss down here, that will just be a 12 $12 loss. Yeah, that'll just be a $12 loss, which I think is a very good entry. I think I'm getting a better hang of my strategy, mastering it, executing it properly. I also noticed that I didn't panic, or I wasn't emotional when I was executing this trade. Very precise, just looking for my 3 or 4 entries. So I counted 1 2 3 4. Yeah, although on my entry here, I did take it at this point when I saw this move. So instead of, I think it would have only been 3 at this point instead of 4. So one, that previous one, and then 2, and then 3, and then this one normally should be confirmed by a move above this, but I just took that risk, saying that when I looked at the loss, the risk, like the amount I would lose, I didn't think much of it, so I just took that trade. So yeah, let's see how Monday turns out. Uh, my personal bias is that we are moving up. So yeah, that's my personal bias, choosing to bet on myself as opposed to listening to what other YouTubers and content creators have to say. So yeah, that should be it for now. Still waiting on Bitcoin to do anything. Hasn't really done anything. It's just there. So yeah, this is it for now. I'll make another video following what happens. If we go up, that'll be good. I'll make a video showing that it went up. If we go down, I'll make a video showing that it went down.